What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a special one because I've had to keep this a secret from y'all for months. But today I am getting to test ride the all-new 2026 Harley-Davidson Pan America Limited. 2026 is the first year of this new model of the Pan America, and it's basically ready for touring right from the factory. And so I'm going to go over all of those details with you guys. If you've been looking at a 1250 Special, the key thing between the Special and the Limited is that this is basically a juiced up Special. So this bike has all of the same details that the Pan America Special has. It has the heated grips, it has the adaptive ride height, it does come with laced wheels. There are all those same accessories, and if you're curious about more of that, I will link that up here in the cards as well as down in the video description so you can do a little compare contrast. The main thing that the Limited has over the Special is that it has all of this touring stuff ready, and it does come with some of the off-road accessories that make it, just more ready to pick up from the dealership, take it right off the showroom floor, and basically, go hit a fire road and go camping for the night, or, go slam out an 800-mile ride day. That is what this bike is designed for. So if you've been watching my channel for any bit of time, you know that that is exactly what I do with the Pan America. I absolutely love this bike. I am definitely a beginner to maybe intermediate off-road rider. As y'all know, I'm still pretty new to it, but this bike has everything that I would want in one of these bikes to basically just hit the road and go touring on it. And it's so cool to see them just have this as a factory option now, and you essentially don't have to pay the dealership to install all of this stuff. So another couple of things that are new on this bike, the new 2026 models do have a new exhaust. It also has a new blacked out motor. It is the same 1250 Revolution Max motor. It just looks a little bit different. It also has these black fins on the outside, which is really cool. It does have the Screaming Eagle quick shifter. I actually have never used one of those, but some people who do a lot of off-road riding are a huge fan of them. So it is nice that this bike does come with it. It does have the adjustable rear brake pedal, muffler guard, skid plate, radiator shield, fuel tank knee pads, as well as the auxiliary LED forward lighting, which you can find down there. And those are awesome. If you've never ridden a Pan America that has these extra lights on it, it is life-changing. I am a huge fan of them, and the fact that they just come from the factory with these is so nice. Really, all of these accessories, like I said, this is all stuff that you would want on a Pan America anyway if you're planning to do any light off-road riding, any touring. It's just so nice that it comes with all of it. It also comes with these black aluminum panniers as well as the top case, which I think is pretty great. And then over on this side, you guys can't see it, but there is a adjustable shift lever on this side now, which is also new for 2026. So yeah, they've done, I think, overall a really great job with this bike. And I want to keep this as short as possible for y'all so that we're not here just, talking about all the same specs that you've seen in review videos of the 1250 Special over the years. I really just want to do a kind of brief overview of what makes the Limited different. So the Pan America Limited does come in 3 different colorways. This one is the Olive Steel Metallic is the official name for it. It also comes in a dark Billiard gray as well as a white Onyx Pearl. I haven't seen those colorways, but I am a fan of this green one. I think it is super slick. It's kind of got this like geometric kind of design in this part of the paint job here. I think it accents really well with the new black motor. So overall, I think they did a great job aesthetics wise with this bike. I'm a huge fan of this colorway, but we'll have to see what the other ones look like as well. I will go ahead and finish this video off saying I don't know what the MSRP is of the Pan America Limited. It will obviously be a little bit more than the Special. However, you are going to save probably thousands of dollars whenever it comes to install pricing if you were to buy all of this stuff separately and have it installed at the dealership. So you will be saving some money there. And from what I have been told, it will be a little more affordable than the COV models in previous years. Overall, I'm pretty stoked on this bike, and I hope you guys are too. I am going to leave links up here in the cards as well as down in the video description if you want to check anything else out on this bike or anything else in Harley-Davidson's 2026 lineup. But until the next video, I will see you all on the road. Later, y'all.